Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this quick haul video. So I haven't ordered from Simon Says Stamp in a little while. I kind of went crazy with ordering stuff before, and I took a little bit of time to basically use what I had already bought, and I did need a few things, so I put in this order. So to start out, I got some new Distress Oxide inks. I grabbed this one here, the Squeezed Lemonade. I really like this brightness of the yellow, and it was definitely a more brighter yellow than the ones I already had. And I got this one here. This is the Blueprint Sketch. Now, I accidentally had bought the regular Distress ink and I thought it was the Oxide, so this time I've got this and it is really the Distress Oxide. I guess I didn't look at the label that closely when I bought it at the store. So I grabbed this so I would have the Oxide version. And then I also grabbed this one, this Antique Linen. And if you use this on a darker color, this will help lighten it. It kind of acts like a bit of a whitey tone. So you can use this to lighten colors, and as well if you use the Black Soot Oxide ink, that helps darken the area. So it's very interesting. Both of these can be used to kind of get different shades within the other colors in the Oxide ink. So I got that one there, and then I grabbed another one of these Nouveau glue pens. These are the little ones, and as you can see, it's a very small point. This really helps on those little die cuts. And then a little story about this. I grabbed one of these craft picks, and this is the Sizzix one, and I've had one of these for years and years and years, and here's the one that I have. And about 6 months ago I bought the Tim Holtz version, and it actually fell apart. This piece actually came completely out, so I ordered another one of the Sizzix versions because I need a couple of these around the craft room. I've got a couple places that I use them, and that way if I have one on each side it works really well. So I grabbed another one of those, and then a couple more things here. I grabbed another bottle of this, and this is the Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive. And I really like this. I've been using this on a lot of my projects. I really like that thin applicator, and it doesn't get clogged. I don't have the problems with all, like I've had with all the other bottles and that type of thing. So this is really good, and I like the glue. I also got this. This is the Hero Arts White Embossing Powder, and this is the Ultra Fine. I really like this one in particular because it is super fine, and I find that the sentiments come out really, really clear. It's not clumpy. So I got more of that. I also got another one of these Memento dual brush markers. Really like this. It's got the brush tip there and then a more regular pen lid there, and I really like this because you can use this with Copics, but I also use this for other reasons as well. There's my haul for this video. There's also a $5 off coupon code right now at Simon Says Stamp. If you use the code SPR5F, you will save $5 off. And I really love and appreciate those codes because they pretty much pay for the shipping, and it makes it more enticing to go and buy a few new things. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.